The following was recorded during the live Q&A session after Arnold's webinar, Aviation Electrification, Choosing Your Motor Topology and Material Advancements. You can find the link to the full presentation, including more in-depth Q&A, in the video description below.
When would you use Arnon over 50/50 cobalt iron?
Yeah, so it's Arnon's. Like I said, we're working on that quite a bit in terms of how to increase the flux saturation levels of that material through how we process it, specifically at our precision thin metals plant in Marengo, Illinois. So we're trying to figure out, can we push those boundaries of saturation capability? Can we go from 1.7 Tesla to 1.8 even to 1.9, and how much further can we go versus the high cobalt alloy materials that they push 2.2 Tesla, even a little bit higher. So we continue to invest in our process capabilities to have an offering that can really bridge the gap and give you almost equivalent performance using a little bit thinner non-grain oriented electrical steel with a little bit higher than traditional M-grade saturation points, and really get as close as we can. And again, it's going to be design dependent, so we need to take a look at designs. We need to run an FEA analysis working with our customers on design optimization, especially for cost and manufacturability. But the options are out there, and we're more than happy to help explore them with customers.